Hi, this is a video on International Metric System. It's slightly different from the US customary system. The International Metric System is the widely used system of units in the world. It follows the base 10 principle. In other words, it's all based on tens. You just multiply tens or divide tens. The simplest explanation is as follows. I hope you find this simple. Let's say you have centi of some unit, and then you have milli, and micro, and nano, pico, and on this side you have meter, then you have kilo, and then you have mega. So the meter part is applicable only to length. So when it comes to weight, this would probably be grams, and when it comes to liquids, this would be liters. So if you want to convert mega, which is a bigger unit, to kilo, you would just multiply it by 10 raised 3. From kilo to meter, it's another 10 raised 3. Meter to centi is 10 raised 2. Centimeter to millimeter is 10. If you're going this way, milli to micro, 10 raised 3, and micro to nano, it's another 10 raised 3, nano to pico, it's another 10 raised 3. So if you want to go directly from mega of something to centi, so mega to centi of something, and all you have to do is multiply the tens and the powers. So that'll be 10 raised 8 centi units. It'll be centimeters, or so 1 megameter would be equal to that many centimeters. Likewise, if you want to go to centimeter to millimeter, you just multiply it by 10. Multiply x by 10, because from centi to milli it's just 10. Now when you go in the reverse direction, it's quite easy. Instead of multiplying by the positive powers, you'd be multiplying by negative powers. So pico to nano would be 10 raised negative 3. Nano to micro, you multiply by 10 raised negative 3. Micro to milli, you multiply by 10 raised negative 3. Milli to centi, you multiply by 10 raised negative 1. Centi to meters, you multiply by 10 raised negative 2. Meters to kilos, you multiply by 10 raised negative 3. Or grams to kilos, liters to kilos. From the kilo unit to a mega unit, you multiply by 10 raised negative 3. So it just goes in powers of 10, and that's why the International Metric System is amazing compared to the US customary system, because the US customary system does not use a base 10 philosophy. But the International Metric System uses the base 10 principle very much so. So if you want to convert 1 liter to milliliters, so liter would be right here, and you want to go to milliliters, so you'll multiply 10 squared times 10, which is 10 cube milliliters. If you want to convert 1 gram to nanograms, you can just start at gram, which is right over here. You'll multiply 10 raised squared times 10 times 10 raised 3 times 10 raised 3, which will be 10 raised 9 nanograms. So 1 gram is 10 raised 9 nanograms. If you went the other direction, 1 nanogram would be 10 raised negative 9 of a gram. be 10 raised negative 9 of a gram. So another short example would be, suppose I want to convert 18 meters to picometers. So this is 18, so it's 18 times. I start at meters. From meters I'm going in this direction, so 10 raised 2 times 10 times 10 raised 3 times 10 raised 3 times 10 raised 3. That'll be 10 raised 12. So let's go ahead and do that. 10 raised 2 times 10 times 10 raised 3 times 10 raised 3, which is 18 times 10 raised 12 picometers. Suppose you want to convert 27 nanometers to meters, then you're going in the opposite direction. So first you start with 27 times nano to micro, you multiply by 10 raised minus 3, micro to milli, another 10 raised minus 3, milli to centi, it'll be 10 raised negative 1, centi to meters, or in this case meters would be 10 raised negative 2. And lastly, I believe that's where we stop because we're going up to meters, so that'll be 27 times 10 raised negative 9 nanometers. So that's how you do conversions with the metric system. As long as you understand this, caterpillar sort diagram over here that's based on the base 10 principle, converting using metric system is very easy. I want you to keep in mind that this meter could be any unit. It could be gram, it could be liter. So we could call centimeter or centigram, centiliters, millimeter, milligram, milliliters, micrometer, microgram, micrometers, megameter, megagram, megaliters, and so forth. And that's the video on metric system. Thank you for watching.